Hi everyone. Today I want to talk about something real. About being yourself. Your true, kind, giving self. And how that doesn't mean people have the right to take advantage of you. When we open ourselves up, when we genuinely care, and give our time, and listen without judgment, it's because we choose to, not because we're obligated. But sometimes, kindness is mistaken for weakness, and that's where things go wrong. Showing the real you means letting people see your heart. It's about being authentic, not guarded. But it doesn't mean letting anyone cross the lines that protect your well-being. Boundaries are not walls, they're gates, and we choose when to open them. If I listen to you, it's because I value your feelings. If I give you my time, it's because I have the space for it. But my presence should never be treated like it's unlimited. You see, we all have our own lives, our own struggles, our own priorities. We can be there for each other without overstepping. Kindness deserves respect, and respect means knowing when to give space to everyone out there who gives so much of themselves. Protect your heart, show the real you, but honor your limits, because the people who truly care will never make you feel guilty for having boundaries.